It has been too long since my blade has tasted the flesh of fiends. Prepare, foul beast, for I am here to smite—
All right, check. Check one. Check 1, 2. Chocobo. Check 1. Chocobo.
What are you doing?
Just getting prepped, man. The acoustics in this field are garbage.
Hurry up! There's a giant eyeball monster.
I know. Super lame turnout, right? All right, thanks for coming out. We are the Warriors of Light. Be sure to check out our MySpace page after the show for more dates, and we've got some merch in the back. So,
Would you just play a status ailment song or something?
sorry, yeah, don't know that one.
Well, what do you know? Heroes Rhyme? Alluring Air?
Mostly into the Peppers, but I know some Sugar Ray.
Ooh, I love Sugar Ray.
All right, this one goes out to the weird eye guy in the front row.
He knows my name.
I just wanna fly. Put your arms around me, baby. Put your arms around me, baby.
Quick, now's our chance. He's distracted by 90s light rock.
Whoa. First off, the Ray can get pretty heavy. Second, you owe me $15 because that dude was totally gonna buy a shirt. What is it with you guys killing all our fans?
Just play us out, Bard.
Ugh, fine. Jerry, can you turn down my monitor? I'm getting a lot of feedback. Check, 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 check.